Hello, welcome to the introduction tutorial of the European Atlas of the Seas. To access the European Atlas of the Seas, you can go on the internet and type www.europeanatlasoftheseas.eu. When you open the atlas, the first thing that you will see is the menu. Here you have different options to choose from. You can choose the language that you would like to work in. You can have a look at the overview of all of the map layers that are available in the atlas. And you can access the Teacher's Corner, which we are going to speak about in a little while. When you have looked at everything that you want to see in the menu, you can close the menu window. You will then be able to start searching for information in the atlas. To do that, click on the magnifying glass. This will open the search window. Here you have three different possibilities. You can look at predefined maps on specific topics that you may be interested in. You can read map stories, or you can select yourself one or several layers that you would have to see. To search for a map layer, you can either type the subject that you are interested in, and you will see a selection of the different map layers associated with this subject, or you can click on one or several of the map layers. You will see that next to the map layers title, you have some symbols. The information symbol allows you to read the description of the map. You can also see if there is an exercise in the Teacher Corner that is related to this map layer, if there's a map story related to that map layer, and if the map is a new map or if it has been recently updated. To see the information and the maps, you can close the search window and you will see the map. As we have selected two map layers, we see the two layers here. By clicking on the information icon, you can read about this map and what information is available in the map, and you can see who the data provider is. By clicking on the data provider, you can also access their website and have more information on their work and the data that is included in the map. Of course, you want to see the legend of the map to be able to understand the information that is included in the map. To do this, click on Legend. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can also click on a specific location or a specific symbol in the map to find more information. If you want to look at new layers, you can again click on the magnifying glass, or you can click all layers to have a blank page and start a new search. If you want to export this map, you can click on the menu and choose Advanced Feature. You can then activate the printing tool, which is going to appear here on the screen. When you click on the printer, you have different options for exporting the map. The scale of the map, you can include a title, you can also draw on the map. You can also decide to choose to share this map in social media or to embed this map in an online article. If you are a teacher, then your space is the Teacher's Corner. In the Teacher's Corner, you will find some exercises that you can do with your students. These exercises are for the moment available in English and in French, and in the future will also be available in Portuguese. If you click on the arrow in front of Teacher's Corner, you will see different age categories, and if you click on an age category, then you will see the exercises that you can use in the classroom. Select the topic you are interested in and you will see the exercise. The exercise is usually composed of a map and questions for which the answers can be found by using the atlas. If you have any questions on how to use the atlas, or if you would like to give us some feedback, and we would be very interested in that, you can click on Give Feedback. You can then fill in the form and we will answer your questions or reply to your feedback by email. You can also follow us on Twitter to learn about the activities of the atlas. We hope you have enjoyed this video and we wish you a very good exploration of the Atlas of the Seas.